Hello, this is El Math. We're going to do a series of videos focusing on fractions. This one will be on addition and subtraction. Let's simplify 3/4 minus 3/6. And traditionally, adding and subtracting fractions, students would get caught up on figuring out that LCD. It ends up really being a hurdle. There's many ways to get that LCD, but I'm going to venture off and say we don't need the lowest common. Any common denominator will work. And the one that I'm going to use is all of the denominators. So I'm going to use 4 and 6. Another common error is that first fraction, the denominator is missing a factor of 6. So we say we're going to multiply it by 6, but that's incorrect. We're actually going to multiply it by 1, which is a factor of 1, but we're going to choose to write it as 6 over 6. And that numerator will then give us 18. Similarly, we're going to do that to the next fraction. We're going to multiply by a factor of 1, but we're going to choose to write it as 4 over 4, and that numerator will give us 12. Now that we have the same denominators, we could actually combine those fractions. 18 minus 12 will yield 6. And if you have 6 over 24, I typically allow my students to leave this as their final answer. I'd rather they get a correct unsimplified fraction than not being able to even start the problem looking for that LCD. But let's be correct and fully simplify this. And the reason I did not multiply the denominator is because I'm going to be looking for factors of 1. And I don't want to have to undo everything, do double the work. So here we see we do have another factor of 1, 6 over 6. And then our final answer is going to be 1 over 4. So in short, I say don't use the C word. Make sure you use the F word. That C word is going to get you in trouble. Canceling, cross-canceling, even cross-multiplication. Those are not real things. They're hacks and tricks to try to get you to do the algorithm faster. What's going to end up happening is in algebra, you're going to end up incorrectly canceling things out that are not supposed to. So stay away from that C word, use the F word.